Hello everybody. Today I've got a 2000 Mercury Sable, and he was complaining about the air conditioner wouldn't work. All it was blowing was hot air. I put my gauges on it. It was full of Freon, and what it was is the blend door. All these functions, the cold and hot. This is automatic temperature control. But what it was is this little. I'm sure everybody's seen these little blend door motor, or some people call them blend door actuators. Electronic motor that closes and opens the blend door, the main blend door for your hot and cold. Okay, to get access to it, what I did here was simply, first of all, I got over here at the glove box and undid these little tabs. There's two tabs. You just push in on these tabs right here, and then the glove box will drop out of your way, and you can get access from over in this area. The more access you have, the better off you are. And then you have to pull this piece out, which they've got little spring locks back there. You can see the 4 little holes here. And this is what I use, little screwdriver, whatever you can get in there, and push in there and release on these springs. And then I got a drill bit. You got to find something that'll go down in there, and anyway, I've already done it. Release those springs back there. I'll show you here. Put these tools down, and then this whole assembly will come out right here. And then you got, I like to disconnect everything. All it's got is this hose, and then wiring harness. Disconnect those. Get all that stuff out of your way. Make it easier. Okay, now let me see if I can get down there to the motor. I've already put one in. Let me see. Dang, I'll tell you what, they build them so. Okay, I think y'all can see that motor down there. All it is, it's got a little shield. I don't know if you can see the shield down there or not, but you'll see it once you get down there. Get a flashlight in there. But here's what the motor looks like when it's down. Let me see. Okay, it's mounted in there like this way. So what you'll have is 4 little screws this size, 5/16 screws, 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then take the 4 little screws out of there, and take your harness loose there. Take it loose and slide it right out of there. Put your new one in, and that's what this car was. That was what was going on. That blend door, the motor wasn't working, and it got stuck in the. There's just a flap inside that housing. It opens and closes for hot or cold, and it was stuck in the hot position. It wouldn't move, the door wouldn't open to let the cold air in. So I hope this helps y'all out. Thanks for watching.